Hi guys, welcome to Becodewala. I welcome you to my new amazing project, Image Flipper. So which you can see in my webpage with a beautiful background color, with a beautiful box shadow and a beautiful div. We have a beautiful image, and when we click on this image, it will flip and it will show the back side of image. So when we again click, it will show the front image. So it will flip and it will show the images when we click. So let's click and see what will happen. So when you click on it, it will flip the images. This is the front side of our image. When you click on it, this is the back side of our image. So when you click on it, it will flip the image and you can see the front and back side what is then. So by clicking on it, we can flip the images. So to make this, we have used HTML CSS. So if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe us. So and you can follow me on Instagram at the @Becodewala. There also I am uploading the videos. So you can follow on that also. So let's start the video. So come to our VS Code. So first of all, I have written the title image flipper, and then I have linked my CSS file. Then in body tag I have taken a div with class id. I have taken a id with name color flipper. So here we are flipping the image. So you can write image flipper or color flipper. So you can change it also. So you can notice also guys. So when you are clicking, so you can make the color also changing. So here color also changing. So you can take the color flipper, whatever the name of the id you want to take, you can take and you can get it. So in this div I have taken a div with id font and a class font face and font. So here in one more div with class info, we have written the image tag and we have given the source of our image file. So here one more div we have taken for the back side with face back, and then we have taken div with class info, the same class which you can see above also. So here we have taken one more image for second review dot 1 and 2 jpg. So in script tag, this is just a 3 lines script tag. So here the JavaScript. So we have taken a constant flipper. So constant variable flipper, and we have selected our id flipper, and then when the user click on it, here the click event, what will happen? So we have created a function flipper dot class list dot toggle flip. So it will flip the side front side to back side and back side to front side. So come to our CSS file. So here we have taken a background color of our body is this aqua, and then a color flipper id. In this I have taken width 400 pixel and height 400 pixel and perspective 1000 pixel and margin 10 rem and auto. So then with class face we have taken a position absolute and width 100% and height also 100%. So Here in backface visibility we have taken hidden and a transition transform 0.6 second is in out. So now here in front class we have taken a background color of our front side is red, which you can see here. I will flip. So this is the front side. So then display flex, justify content center, and align item also center to make it in center. So for our back side we have changed the color. Go to this and we have taken transform rotate by 180 degree. When you click on it, it will rotate 180 degree and it will show. So display flex and align item center and justify content center. So here info class text align center and color of the text is white. So here in img we have taken 250 pixel width and when with id front in this front class with id color flipper where transform rotate y 180 degree. When you want back side of then it will rotate 0 degree. So for our responsiveness means small devices we have taken the id color flipper with width and height 300 pixel. So when you go on responsiveness it will be responsive for a small devices also, which you can see here. When choose the Samsung Ultra iPhone 12 Max Pro, here also when click it will flip the images and it will show the result. So with this much of code we have generated our image flipper. And if you guys like the video, subscribe the channel and don't forget to share with your friends. So thanks for watching. We'll meet in next video with a new amazing project. So thank you.